In this video, I will tell you that how you can easily create a new Telegram channel in 2024 and onwards. So that's quite simple and interesting. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. And make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So first of all, you will have to open the Telegram application. Now you'll simply have to click on the chat sections, and once you are on this page, you will have to click on the top right corner on the pencil icon. Now you'll have to simply click on new channel. Now channels are a one-to-many tool for broadcasting your messages to unlimited audiences. Simply click on create channel, and you will have to create a channel name and a description, and then you will have to select a photo for it, allowable access, and for example you can also select an emoji. For example, I will select this one, and then I will click on set as channel photo, and then I will click on next. Once you are on this page, you will have two options, either public or private. The public channels can be searched by anyone on Telegram, and private channels can be joined via link only. So that's your own choice. For example, I want to create a public channel on Telegram. I will simply type a username, for example, test. Now this one is available. I will simply click on next, and then click on OK. Now I can easily add any of my contacts in this channel. For example, I will add for example, let's say I will add this contact and click on next. Now you can see that I have successfully created a Telegram channel, and that's how you can easily create a new Telegram channel in 2024. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.